Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. I'm glad to have you here again. In the first video, we installed the brand new Moodle 5.2 on Ubuntu 24 server in a simple and fast way. In the second video, we customized the Moodle site with the branding, logos, colors and a more professional appearance. And today, we are moving into one of the most important steps after installation. We are going to learn how to create a course in Moodle. Whether you are a teacher, trainer, administrator, or managing an online learning platform, creating courses is one of the core tasks in Moodle. Before we begin, it is important to know that to add a new course in Moodle, you need to have either administrator, course creator, or manager rights. Don't worry, the process is straightforward. Let's begin. Here we are on the Moodle dashboard. To create a course, go to Site Administration, then click on Courses. Now select Manage Courses and Categories. This is the main area where all courses in your Moodle site are organized. If your platform contains multiple departments, teams, or learning programs, categories help keep everything structured and easy to manage. Now let me show you how to create a course. First, choose the category where you want the course to be created. For this example, I'll use the default category. Now click Create New Course. You are now on the course settings page. This is where we enter the key details for the new course. Let's go through the main fields. The first field is course full name. This is the main course title learners will see. For example, Introduction to Web Development. Next is course short name. This is a shorter version used in navigation menus, reports, and administration areas. For example, Web 101. A good practice is to keep short names clear, simple, and easy to identify later. Next, you may see the course category field. This determines where the course is stored. You can change it at any time if needed. Below that, you will see course visibility. If it is set to show, students can access the course. If it is hidden, only administrators, managers, and teachers can view it. This is useful when the course is still being prepared and not yet ready for learners. Next, we have the course start date. This helps Moodle organize schedules, calendars, and time-based activities. Select the correct start date for your course. You may also see the course end date option. Enable this if your course has a fixed completion period. Next, you will find the description section. Here, you can enter the course summary. This field is optional, but it can be useful for providing a short overview of the course content. You can also upload a course image. A suitable course image will be displayed in the course overview block on the dashboard. If no image is uploaded, Moodle will automatically use its default colored course cards. As you scroll further, you will notice additional settings such as course format, appearance, files and uploads, completion tracking, groups, and tags. These are very useful options and we'll cover them in future videos. For now, our focus is simply creating the course correctly. Once everything looks good, click Save and Return or Save and Display. Here is the difference. Save and Return takes you back to the course list. Save and Display opens the newly created course immediately. I usually choose Save and Display as it saves time. So let's click that now. Perfect. The course has been created successfully. And now we are inside the course page. From here, you can begin building your learning content by adding resources, activities, files, quizzes, assignments, and more. This is where your course starts to take shape. Now let's go back to the dashboard and see how the course image appears in the course overview block. As you can see, the course image has been saved and this is how it appears. And that's it. You now know how to create a course in Moodle. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and support the MoodleClicks channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.